What's up, everybody? This is Michael from Thick Cut, Ohio. Got another package today. Going to go ahead and unbox it, aka unbag it. We'll try to do this with one hand. See, I already got a little hole right there. Nifty shipping. See what we got in here. Oh, it is the Thick Cut, Ohio hoodie. Go ahead and spread it out here. Okay. This is the front logo. Let's see what we got on back. That's the back logo. All right. As far as quality, feels nice and soft. This is a double XL. Let's see. Nice YKKK zipper. And it's the Hanes Eco Smart. 2 pockets up front. Let's turn it over. And the nice logo on the back. Getting that season, go check them out.